Hey, it's Foot Soldier Zombie. What? Hands up, you plants. You might think I'm a regular brown coat, but no, I'm not. I am Foot Soldier Zombie. What the? Owie! You hit my face. Brrr. Keep doing it. Take this. Ow. I'm dead now. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I wish I had a ZPG. Maybe I can put this on my back. What the heck? Ow. Ow. I guess I'm dead. Oh no. I should not have done that. There I am. Now I have to make HP go back down there again. Ow, ow, ow. Really, I guess that we are not gonna have any boss fights because I hear the Ripper Room music again. Yes, that's actually a really good song. Boom, boom. Pow, pow. Nice, I ran out of ammo, and now I got the Gatling gun. What the? Hey, you stole my name. Ow! Oh no. Ow! No! You killed him! You're ripping up all our friends. Huh. Hey, Bonk. Go and punch him. Ow! 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 Oh, dang, you killed me. I got the gun. Let's rip up Arnold now. What the? Oh no. Not again. Wait, that happened again. Ow.